Hollywood has overstated what psychotherapy is. Anger management, I think, is what it was called with Charlie Sheen. Psychotherapy just means talk therapy. Means you're specialized in talk therapy. It does not incorporate much else besides talk therapy. So you want a psychologist who uses different forms of therapy, different presentations of therapy. You want that cognitive behavioral therapy where they talk through the issues, they work with you with different skill sets that you can bring upon to help yourself. They work with you with certain conditions and how to do stuff. And then there's a couple different forms of therapy. There's lots of forms of therapy, but some of them. There's medical therapy. There is sort of the Freudian therapy where they underline the issues and go into what presents as that. The newer form is cognitive behavioral therapy where they work with you to find solutions that work for you instead of just telling you. There's behavioralism, which works on changing your behaviors, which goes into cognitive behavioral therapy. And then there's medical therapy. Many other ones to go into it. But to wrap up, there is DBT therapy, which is used for strenuous disorders. So it is to rewire your brain to think completely differently about a situation. It is almost like a brainwashing because the disorder is so strenuous and so detrimental to your health. Anyway, point being, psychologist is the way to go, not a therapist. If they say they're a psychotherapist, do not go to them.